Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're back on Raymore Reviews. So we are outside of GK Foods. That's Grace Kennedy Foods Distribution Center. That's right in front of me, right there. So what I'm doing for you guys, I'm doing a quick update. What they're doing is an expansion, so that's what we're going to check on today. So stay tuned while we take a look at that. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So just click that subscribe button, turn it gray. Remember to turn on your post notification bell as well, so you don't miss any upload. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like and share as well. So the more persons like, the more persons share, is the more YouTube will also recommend the video to other persons. And if you want to donate to the channel, you know, just to help the cause and just to go towards persons purchasing a drone so we can get some aerial videos, we have PayPal and other options as well in terms of how you can donate. So Grace Kennedy Foods Distribution Center, it's on Salt Pond Road, just after Spanish Town bypass. This road runs straight into Portmore as well. So that's what we're checking out today. So let's take a drive and let's look at the expansion that Grace Kennedy is doing. They have been around since 1922, so they're almost 100 years in terms of how long they've been around. So one of the oldest, if not the oldest, Jamaica foods brand company that we have. Everybody knows Grace. I think their biggest competitor would be probably Lasco, but everyone knows Grace. So stay tuned, guys. All this property on the left is theirs. It's their warehouse, distribution, logistics. So that's what we're looking at. And then right behind these warehouses is where their new project is ongoing, their multi-million-dollar expansion. To my right as well is the Tamarind Farm Adult Correctional Center. That's on the right. Let me just give you guys a glimpse. You know, I always like to show you guys where I'm at. So that's their signpost right there. Alright, so that's the Tamarind Farm Adult Correctional Center. This is where they're located. It's the first I'm knowing this myself. I've always heard of it, but I've never checked to see where it was before. So I saw the sign. Yeah. And then if you look back over to the left towards the Grace Complex, you'll see some of the steel structure that's going up right now. So we're gonna eventually take a closer look though. Alright, so we're still outside of their property. All that concrete fence going all the way back is theirs. So we're gonna step outside the vehicle and take a quick walk around for you guys. So Salt Pond Main Road, Grace Kennedy Distribution Center expansion. That's what we're taking a look at today. Alright guys, so we're gonna go up on that bridge and it will give us some better shots over the wall. Alright guys, from off the bridge you can see a better shot of the size and the work that's happening. So this is the Grace Kennedy Distribution Center Expansion Project, Salpon Road in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Alright, so I guess projects for these, whenever the channel get a drone, and then the shot and the video will be really good, from a bird's eye view. Alright, and this is right next to Highway 2000 as well. I'll show you guys a glimpse of that. It's literally next to the highway. So that bridge runs over the highway. Alright guys, if you've watched to this far, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment, share, and also donate if you choose. Alright, so now you can see how far the project comes. That's the highway right there. And that's the perimeter fence for Grace. So it's right next to the highway. And we see foundation, so the warehouse will stretch this far. Alright, Grace Kennedy Distribution Center. And then that's the highway.